Hi guys, Ed here, Tapflo Technical Manager, here with a bespoke product highlight for you. This one was just specifically developed as a mobile CIP system. So what we have here is we have a chemical storage tank with enough stowage for a secondary one to the side there, fitted to the suction on a three-way valve format onto one of our 3/4 inch stainless steel pumps. So the customer has the facility to flush the system through using the chemicals that are stored in the blue containers. And then once that flushing cycle has been completed, they can drain the pump back through that suction thanks to these valve lifters here. That will then drain the fluid back through into the tank, and then they can flush through with water thanks to the secondary water tank that we have here by simply changing the three-way valve over, sucking the water through, flushing the system through, and then again draining the pump after use as well, so we don't go into any cross-contamination. We have here on the back of the system our filter regulator with a manual isolation valve for the air, as well as a needle valve for controlling flow and pressure, therefore fine-tuning the CIP process and the capacity the pump's running at according to the system requirements. We even have fitted here a batch controller which allows the operator to choose the amount of fluid, be it either chemical or water, they wish to flush through the system. We have fitted here some polypropylene overbraid chemical hosing to protect the operators during use. What we found with stainless overbraids is that it can get sort of frayed and worn over time and become a bit of a cutting hazard if you're not wearing gloves. The polypropylene braid is a bit more forgiving, and it's also a lot safer for the operators to use. We have here a manual isolation valve on the discharge, along with our own produced pointed dispense valve, which is effectively a full PTFE non-return valve with a Hastelloy C spring and a PTFE valve ball, suitable for almost any chemical, and that allows you a no drip pointed dispense. If you would like another bespoke product like this on a mobile solution, give us a shout today.